B is vertically opposite like this. Like this. We have B here, we have D here, we have A here, and we have C here. Look at it. Like this. Vertically opposite angle. They are equal. If I give you, angle A is given now, you can easily get angle B using the same principle we have been using all this while. Now let us solve problem of it. This example 2. One. Okay, look at the question. They say find the values of B, D, and C. B, D, and C. What do we do? What do we do? 65 degree plus B what to what?
180.
Reason.
The sum of angles in straight line are 180.
Climb up, boy. Angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Now your B equals to B equals to 180 degree minus 65. What do you have? Oh yeah. I want you to answer me.
Minus.
15 degree. So your B here is what?
150 degree.
Alright. Now, once you have gotten the first angle, it means you have no problem again.
Yes, sir.
You are seeing this thing in your textbook.
Yes,
but
sir.
you don't know how to calculate them. And they are very simple.
Yes, sir.
Huh? They are very, very simple.
Yes.
What do we do? Equal to what? B is equal to what?
150 degree.
Easy. Reason, vertically opposite angle. Okay. It remains what? C. Angle C equals to what?
65 degrees.
C equals to what?
65 degree.
Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, we do the one of adjacent before we drink water. It's just there are some angles that form adjacent. Pairs of angles that form adjacent. We call them adjacent angles. And these angles are, the sum of these angles is 180. These pairs of angles, the total sum of these angles are 180. I mean it's 180. Are you following?
Yes.
Like now, from here to this place is 180. From here to this place is also 180. From here to this place is also 180. That is to say, angle M angle M and angle N is equal to 180 degrees. These are pairs of angles. Pairs of angles. Okay. I have finished with this one. Angle P is equal to 180. That is to say, the sum of angles on a straight line is 180. The sum of angles. Let me put the reason here. The sum of
angle on the straight line is 180.
sum of angles on the straight line is 180. The same thing applicable to this one. Angle O equals to P. Angle O and angle P, is 180. Angle O and angle P is 180. Reason, the sum of angles on a straight line is 180. These are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles.
Adjacent
Angles.
Last one is Q and R.
angle Q.
And angle R is equal to 180. Reason, the sum of angles on the straight line is 180. The following angles in respect of alternate, corresponding and vertically opposite angles. In respect of alternate angles, corresponding angles and vertically opposite angles.
Okay, now adjacent.
We have solution. We have done it already, but we are bringing three of them together. Three of them, we are bringing them together. What do? Angle C is what? C is what? F.
Equals to F.
Angle C equals to F. Reason. Alternate they wanted to prove everything. C equals to F. C equals to F. Reason, alternate angles are equal. D
Equals to E.
angle D here. What's the word?
E.
Reason.
Alternate angles are equal.
We are through with alternate angles. What do we do now? Corresponding. B, what's the what?
F.
B, angle B equals to F. Reason, corresponding angles are equal. Then D, D equals to what?
H.
So D here equals to H. Reason, corresponding angles are equal. Let us prove the other side. Angle A equals to what?
E.
A equals to what?
E.
Angle A equals to what class?
E.
Very good.
E.
A equals to E. After jumping a line,
Yes.
it will now pick the partner. After jumping a line, this parallel line, after jumping a parallel line, it will now pick its partner.
Yes.
This one will jump this parallel line and pick its own partner.
Partner.
Okay. A
Equals to E.
equals to E equals to angle E. C equals to what?
G.
Angle C equals to what?
Angle G.
Okay. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, we have done the proving for that of corresponding angles. Let us go to vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. What do we do? A equals to what? A equals to what?
D.
Okay. I can use this sign and I can use this sign. I can use this way, and I can use this sign. This sign is the sign of angle, and this one is the full wedge. Okay. Let me use this one for now.
D.
What's the D? Reason. Vertically, we are dealing with vertically now. Vertically opposite angles
Are equal.
Angle B.
Angle B is what?
C.
Vertical opposite
Are equal.
Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, we are going to prove this one now.
Yes.
Angle E is what?
H.
Angle G. Reason. Vertically opposite angles
Are equal.
Okay. We are through with vertically opposite angle, but I want to set a question on this, because when you see a question on this concept, you should be able to solve it. Now you can prove this particular problem using the letters. You cannot prove it using the figures for now. So I have to set another question so that you can prove it using the figures. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
We have been able to prove it using letters A, B, C, D, and rest. Okay. Now the problem is being given now. Now we are looking for a solution. We have problems on the board, and we are looking for a solution. This 120 you are seeing, we can even bring it down and we'll still get what we want. What do we do? From here to this place is 180 degrees.
Yes, sir.